Hello friends, welcome to the new lecture over S3 guarantees. So let's take a quick look on what S3 guarantees or what S3 is built for. So let's pull out the mind map, and so S3 is built for 99.99% of availability for S3 platform. So the availability that Amazon has built S3 for is 99.99%. But what Amazon guarantees is 99.9%. So that means Amazon is more robust. S3 is more, service is more robust than it is built for. So uh, it's built for 99.9, but as an SLA, that is service level agreement, Amazon guarantees 99.9% availability. The next point is Amazon guarantees 99.999999. So these are 11 nines durability for S3 information. So let's discuss of what. So let's understand the difference between durability and availability. So availability is, let's say, I said you that when you upload one copy or one file on S3, it's spread across two more availability zones. So if one availability zone is down and one availability zone has several data centers, so let's say if one availability zone is down, there are chances that you might get copy from another availability zone. But what are the chances that you know Amazon will come to you saying that we don't have your data? That is what we mean by durability. So what are the chances that Amazon will come to you and say that, okay, we don't have a single copy of whatever data you had on S3? And those chances are 99.99, those 11 nines chances. So those chances are so rare. And why those chances are rare? Because Amazon keeps the one every for every copy that you upload or every object you upload, Amazon keeps the copy into three availability zones. One availability zone can have two or more data centers. So think how many data centers would be there in three availability zones. And just because your one copy is saved across multiple data centers, that's why the durability is higher. Of course, the cost is also higher for Amazon to manage, but since it's a shared model, that's why we are getting a reasonable solution. Otherwise, if we as a traditional company plan of having such high value of durability, it would be very expensive for us. And this is the value that cloud provides. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for any company to independently build their own data centers and provide this kind of durability. So I hope you got the difference between availability and durability. Just to summarize again, availability is something where data is not available for some time but may become available after the interruption or after the services are recovered. So Amazon S3 is built for 99.99% of availability, while Amazon guarantees as an SLA 99.9%. And talking about durability, and Amazon guarantees 99.11 nines after the point, so 11 nines percent of durability for S3. So you won't lose your information, or the chances of losing your information are so rare. So I hope you enjoyed this session over S3 guarantees, and I'll see you in the next section where we will be discussing more on S3 features. Till then, goodbye.